watching news broadcast of Sigma Media Lab, Rayagada. Rayagada District, on the 27th of June 2021. 2 members of a family were killed, and 2 others were seriously injured, in a lightning strike at Kerandiguda village in Chanchdaguda village panchayat, under Bissam Cuttack block. At around 3 p.m. yesterday, Bursa Miniyaka of Kaliponga village in Kerandiguda was struck by lightning, while cleaning up a forest crumple in Kerandiguda for the purpose of cultivating, with his wife, Rami Miniyaka, son, Kasiram Miniyaka and daughter-in-law, Mala Miniyaka, Bursa, and his wife, Rami Miniyaka, who lost their lives in the spot, villagers said. On hearing the news, the villagers rushed the family members to the Bissam Cuttack Community Health Center by ambulance. Father Bursa, 65, and mother Rami, 55, died, the doctor informed.
Medical officer, CSC Bissam Cuttack. दुजन आसते पेसेंट जन ना माला मिनियाका और जन कस्तूरा मिनियाका से मैंने आसते कालीपंगा जगह आसते लाइटनिंग स्ट्राइक होली रिलेटिव्स कहते दुजन जगह जड़े टी अनस्टेबल थे और जड़े जो माला मिनियाका से स्टेबल थे इनिशियल ट्रिटमेंट देचु रिंगर लैक्टेड फ्लूइड देचु और पेन ट्रामाडोल वगैरह देचु एवं रिफर कर रायगड़ा से ईसीजी वगैरह करेंगे और जहाँ फर्दर इवाल्युएसन करेंगे आउ दुजन एवं दुजन जड़े ओल्ड एज पर्सन ओल्ड एज लेडी आसर किसी पल्स रिएक्ट कर पल्स ना कि ब्रीदिंग बंद हो गला कि हार्टबीट भी ना तो सी आर मोस्टली दे आर डेड तो पुलिस को हमें इनफर्मेशन दबू ए पुलिस जहाँ नेक्स्ट कह जब कह पोस्टमार्टम हम जहाँ भी कह से कर स्टेप नबू.
However, 2 other members of the family, Kasiram, 44, and 30-year-old, Mala, are in critical condition and are reportedly being shifted to the Rayagada District Headquarter Hospital for further treatment. According to villagers, Bursha cultivates and uses to feed his family, but his family's condition will be very deplorable after his death. His son, on the other hand, has been hospitalized in critical condition due to a severe thunderstorm, and villagers have appealed for administrative help for his family. Reports from Ksama Sagar Das, Sigma Media Lab, Muniguda, Odisha.